Welcome to Mari Health and Fit channel.
Here's a simple recipe for a classic detox water. Ingredients: 1 lemon, sliced. 1 cucumber, sliced. 1-inch piece of ginger, peeled and sliced. 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves. 8 to 10 cups of water. Instructions: 1. Wash the lemon, cucumber, ginger, and mint leaves thoroughly. 2. Cut the lemon and cucumber into thin slices and grate the ginger. 3. Add the lemon, cucumber, ginger, and mint leaves to a large pitcher. 4. Pour 8 to 10 cups of water over the ingredients in the pitcher. 5. Stir the mixture gently to combine the ingredients. 6. Chill the detox water in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours or overnight to allow the flavors to infuse. 7. Serve chilled and enjoy. This detox water recipe is a great way to add flavor to your water while also promoting weight loss and detoxification. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and reap the benefits of detox water.